Hey guys, what's going on? It's Karl here, back with the final episode of the tech condo tour. I think you can see where we are right now. We're essentially where the magic happens in my bedroom. Different kind of magic. P.S. Before we start today's episode, we have a winner from the mega unboxing of September. It was for the BlackBerry T2. Congrats! You've got 24 hours to email me before I have to repick a winner, and if you want to see something from the bedroom tech tour featured as a giveaway, let me know and I can try to make it happen. You know what to do. Leave a comment on the favorite item that you saw from today's episode. So the first piece that is living here, that's a 65-inch Super UHD display. This guy is from LG, and I think it's a bit too big for a bedroom. It does kind of fit here. I'd like to have something smaller though, but I did have it previously in my living room, but still offers some great viewing angles, especially I have a ton of natural light coming in. I'm usually only watching this guy at night though, maybe watching a bit of Netflix and playing some Forza whenever I'm not in my living room on the 100-incher. One thing that I did find lacking though was the sound output, and I was in the market for a soundbar. I wanted to have an all-in-one that would pair perfectly with this, something plug and play, nothing too crazy like a surround sound. It was actually perfect timing as Polk reached out and asked if I wanted to test out the command bar, so big shout outs to them for sponsoring today's episode. It's honestly been a great addition and a mega step up in my sound game. It does come with, of course, a dedicated soundbar and subwoofer. It's pretty much plug and play, and the design I think fits perfectly into my setup. It looks like Polk just inserted an Amazon Echo right into the middle, and with that I can listen to, say, Spotify, control all my smart apps in my living room, just asking good old Alexa. This guy retails at $300, so I think it's some decent value, and of course it sounds way better than the stock speakers that are coming out of your TV. My favorite part, of course, is the extra kick of bass. I do listen to a ton of deep and heavy electronic music, maybe not always the best thing right before bed. This entire TV and soundbar setup is actually sitting on a bit of nostalgia. I've had this TV stand since I've been, I think, in high school. It's the first thing that I bought from IKEA. It's kind of stood the test of time, brings back some solid memories. Why replace it? I've got my older systems here, the Xbox One S and PlayStation 4 Pro, both done in custom colors of orange by Colorware, and some extra nostalgia for all you true Xbox guys out there. I have the original Xbox in crystal. I think that was a Euro exclusive only. It's a bit of like a holy grail effect. The next tech edition, if you follow me on Insta, you probably saw me struggle to install these guys here. These are nano leafs. I'll label them as smart LEDs. They're a bit of art also. They do spruce up the room. I've got mine in my custom colors of white and orange. You can control them with any Google Assistant, of course Amazon Alexa and Apple HomeKit. The next edition, it's still technically tech. It is the mattress that I'm rocking. I got a Lisa Sapira mattress. Before that, I had an Endy mattress, but I found it to be a bit soft. This guy, the Sapira, is their highest end model, and it has 3 different layers. It's got 1.5 inches of foam, 1.5 inches of memory foam in the middle, and 6 individually wrapped springs, and I find that it's a bit more firm. It's honestly been awesome. I've loved it so far. I've used it for around a week, and I think by far the coolest thing, they do donate 1 mattress for every 10 sold, and they actually plant 1 tree for every mattress sold to kind of help reduce their carbon footprint. I'm on board with that for sure. Where the mattress sits on and my bedroom set I got from Rogue Concept, and that includes the bed as well as the nightstand. They're solidly built. You can tell that it's better quality. Kind of same thing goes for the little bedstand that I've got beside me that I've actually got loaded with tech as well. The first is this BenQ reading light, and I think it's very minimal, very modern. You can articulate it to however you want. You can also change the color of light that comes out, whether it's for reading, whether it's for daylight to make things a bit cozier. What sits on that is the High-Rise Duet, which charges both my iPhone and my Apple Watch. It's handy because it sits off to the side and it forces me not to use my iPhone when I'm sleeping, something that I'm sure a ton of us, probably most of us, are guilty of every night. I do also have my Nintendo Switch and dock here when it charges up. I do sometimes play a couple games at night, especially some Zelda in bed, and since the Switch is mobile, it is perfect. Of course, that is matching in that same custom colorware orange paint job. I've also got a Google Wi-Fi hub that helps boost my signal here in the bedroom, as my router is all the way in the living room, and I found that the walls are a bit thick and sometimes my signal was lacking. Just saw that Dyson lamp, which I kind of have over on the other side, just in case someone else may need to use it when they're reading. And I also have a Dyson fan that sits on the bottom, especially on the super hot, humid days when I need to be a bit cooler. I'm that type of person that needs to be freezing cold just to sleep. Anyways, that kind of concludes my condo tech tour. I've done my living room, my studio, my patio, and of course this wraps it up with the bedroom. Curious to hear your thoughts on potential upgrades. Let me know, as I'm always curious and always looking to upgrade my tech game. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope to catch the rest of you in one of my next ones or in one of my vlogs. Peace.